Hey guys, welcome back to Techdo. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a YouTube video using ChatGPT and Wondershare Filmora 12. You don't need to do anything. For example, you don't need to write video script, you don't need to record the voice, you don't need to record the footage. You can do all these things with ChatGPT and Wondershare Filmora. ChatGPT can be used to generate your video title, description and script. And Wondershare Filmora can be used to record, edit and upload your videos to YouTube. By using both these tools together, you can create countless number of YouTube videos effortlessly. So the link to the ChatGPT and Wondershare Filmora is available in the video description. Here is the example. We have asked the ChatGPT to write a YouTube video script on how to make pizza. You can see that it has generated a complete video script covering all the main aspects of the topic in discussion. Then you need to copy all the video script and open Wondershare Filmora and click on New Project. Here you can see the interface like this. The good thing is Wondershare Filmora has stock media. You can use any footage for your video without copyright strike. For example, I want to make a YouTube video how to make a pizza. So here I will search the videos for pizza. Here I enter the keyword pizza and here are the videos related to pizza. So I can download different videos and I drag it to my timeline. Now you need to click on text and then click on quick text. And here enter the script and click on OK. Then we will delete it. Then you need to click on text to speech button. At the top you can choose the language. For example, English, Chinese, Japanese, or you can choose any language you want. Then you can choose the different voices and click on OK. It will generate your text into voice. Just wait a few minutes. So here it is. You can see it has generated the voice. We can delete our text and you can just play it. And you can also add more pizza footage. So as you can see, you don't need to write a YouTube video script, you don't need to record a voice, you don't need to make a footage. All things are available and you can upload it on your YouTube channel. When the video is done, simply click on export and save it to your computer and then upload it to YouTube. So overall, writing a YouTube video script can be challenging, and shooting videos and recording with ChatGPT and Wondershare Filmora, you can do it very easily. So the links are available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.